Hello students, welcome back to your own YouTube channel Study Kshetra. As we know, only 55 days are left for our CAT 2022 exam which is on 27th November. So still we have 55 days. So now in this video we'll talk about how to revise everything for CAT 22 in these 55 days. Now, in this video, first of all, we'll talk about score versus percentile in CAT. Now, this thing is very important to know our strength and weakness. And जो अभी हमारे marks आ रहे हैं, how we can increase the percentile by analyzing the previous year score versus percentile. Second thing we'll talk about preparation or revision plan कि हम इन 55 days को कैसे utilize करें. Then the third most important thing 30 days schedule which will help you to revise or prepare your syllabus in this precious time. Now if you look about score versus percentile in CAT exam, previous years CAT 2021 there were 66 questions, time duration was 2 hours. In CAT 2020 it was a 2 hours but 76 question. And उससे previous 3 years में 19, 18, 17 में 3 hours 100 questions were there. If we look for 99.9 percentile, previous year it was 119 marks out of 198. In 2020 it was 131 marks. In 2019 196, 2018 192, 2017 208. At that time paper was easy to moderate level. So it will be better if we look for the previous year because this year we are also expecting to get 66 question and time is 2 hours. For 99.5 it was 110 marks. For 99 percentile 98 marks. मतलब इतना गैप आ रहा है यहाँ पे 99 से 99.5 जाने में which is of 12 marks. Even if we look for 2020 99 से 99.5 जाने में 14 marks का गैप था. For getting 98 percentile, we need to score 85 marks. For 95 percentile, 73 marks. For 90 percentile, only 60 marks. In 2020, it was only 64 marks. So if you look here, to get 198%, 198 marks में से to get 90 percentile, आप सिर्फ इसका 1/3 लेके आए total marks का. So 1/3 लाने पे 66 marks पे we would have got 92, 93 percentile. If we are targeting 99 percentile, then target the half marks of the paper. So मतलब 99, 100 के around you will get easily 99 percentile. And if you look here, only at 98 marks you would have got 99 percentile. But still, if we think sir अभी हम syllabus preparation start कर रहे हैं, how we can score? If you get only 46 marks, that is only 16 questions we are doing. हम अगर हर section में 6 questions भी करके आते हैं, still easily we can score 80 percentile. So means getting 80% not a big deal. हमारा competition कहाँ start होता है? After the 98 percentile. If you would be able to get only 52, 53 marks, you can get 85 percentile there. So, whichever college you are aiming for doing MBA, you must be knowing this score versus percentile. This thing will help you to improve your score and improve your percentile in this coming 55 days. Now, preparation or revision plan. Now, I am getting so many messages and calls sir in अब हम इन डेज को कैसे यूज करें, अगर हम आज से प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर कैसे सॉल्व करें. द बेस्ट थिंग वी कैन डू in the next 30 days you must revise or prepare your syllabus. So revise all the topics. और जो बच्चे प्रिपरेशन अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं द सेम स्ट्रेटजी दे कैन अप्लाई. जो बच्चे रिवाइज कर रहे हैं they should must target for 99 plus percentile. The students who are starting the preparation even today, they can target easily for 85, 90 percentile. The second thing you guys must do is to look for the previous year CAT papers. Now this thing is very important क्योंकि this thing will give you the real look कि how the questions come in the CAT paper. So you must go through the previous year question paper. At least 4 years के तो हमें करने ही करने हैं. 2021, 2020, 19, 18 ये तो हमें करने ही करने हैं try. Now by the next month, I would be uploading all the previous year solutions of this at least for 4 to 5 years so that you must learn which question we must have left, which question to attempt at that time, किस क्वेश्चन में कितना टाइम देना चाहिए, तो वो चीज हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी होता है. Then you must go through the mock test. सो इन दोस नेक्स्ट 25 days 10 to 12 days हम देंगे प्रीवियस ईयर कैट पेपर को एंड 10 to 15 days के अंदर वी मस्ट गो थ्रू द 10 मॉक्स. हमें मॉक को देना है, देन उस मॉक को एनालाइज करना है एंड वी नीड टू इंप्रूव आवर स्कोर बाय गिविंग दिस मॉक्स डेली आफ्टर द रिवीजन. Now this is the 30-day schedule I had made which will help you to revise your syllabus very easily. So on the day 1, even if you start today, on the day 1, you must go through the quants where you can attempt the ratio and proportion average and mixture topic. And the most important thing, time देख के मत पढ़ना कि सर I will study for 2 hours, I should do 3 hours. No, it should be like this कि हम पहले टॉपिक को करेंगे revise, then we'll attempt the questions, then you can go through the topic test. 30 minutes का topic test लेके you can just look at yourself कि how much you have prepared. On day 2 again quants where you can do percentage profit and loss. Third day you can do LRDI to revise linear and circular arrangements. On day 4 simple interest and compound interest. Day 5 verbal reading comprehension. Day 6 LRDI tables and bar graphs. Day 7 quants time and work. Day 8 verbal para jumbles. यहाँ पे MCQ एंड थीटा बेस्ड आपको दोनों क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करने हैं. Day 9 quants time speed and distance. This time and work and time speed and distance यहाँ से total 4 to 5 questions you can expect in the CAT exam. On day 10 LRDI distribution and comparison arrangements. Then on day 11 again LRDI line and pie charts. Day 12 quants and day 13 quants where you will revise all the topics of number system, चाहे वो आपका HCF and LCM हो या फिर finding the unit digit, finding the remainder. So all these things we have to revise in those 2 days क्योंकि यहाँ से एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आपका बनता ही है. Then on day 14 verbal reading comprehension. Then day 15, 16, 17 algebra you have to revise. One day you can revise linear equation, quadratic equation. Then you can revise spatial equation, progressions and series where you have AP, GP, HP. Then graphs, inequalities, modulus. This thing you can revise on third day of algebra. क्योंकि यहाँ से भी एग्जाम में every year you can see inequality modulus 1 to 2 question. And this number system and algebra totally contains 6 to 7 questions out of 22. So this thing is very important to revise. On day 18 you can go through the verbal for doing the para summary. Day 19 LRDI complex arrangements or I can say mixed arrangements. Day 20 verbal para completion and odd one out. Day 21, 22, 23 where you can revise the geometry. If you find the geometry हमें अच्छी नहीं लगती, you can leave this thing. यहाँ पे हम topic test भी दे सकते हैं. But if we are going to the whole syllabus, then these 3 days for geometry, where first of all you can do lines and angles. और यहाँ पे हम करेंगे triangles को. Then all the quadrilateral figures. And the mensuration part, 3D part you can do here. Then यहाँ पे you can do coordinate geometry and trigonometry. क्योंकि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से एवरी ईयर यू कैन सी वन क्वेश्चन with its application height and distance. On day 24, caslets and mixed graph. Day 25, LRDI games and tournaments. Every year you can see one set from games and tournaments. Day 26, again reading comprehension to improve your speed, improve your accuracy. Day 27, set theory and logarithms. Now this set theory can also come in LRDI. One set will come with 4 or 6 questions. This logarithms is one of the very important topic क्योंकि यहाँ से in the last 4 years you can see 2 to 3 questions every time in the CAT exam. Day 28 again reading comprehension. Now day 29 these are those topics जो हम CAT में avoid कर देते हैं, but you must revise this topic, network puzzles, input output cubes, क्योंकि syllabus is not defined for CAT exam. कहीं से कुछ भी आ सकता है. So you must practice one set of these things so that you can get an idea कि एग्जाम के अंदर ये टॉपिक आता है तो हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस क्वेश्चंस. देन डे 30 परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन प्रोबेबिलिटी. इन द लास्ट 5 years यहाँ से क्वेश्चन नहीं आया, बट स्टिल इट्स अ सिलेबस ऑफ द कैट, so we must go through these topics also. So this 30-day schedule will help you out to revise all the topics in this 30 days. Now, after revising all these things, हम कैसे करेंगे? So, all the best to the candidates who are going to write the CAT exam this year. So, for all the MBA exam updates or for all the entrance exam updates, do like, share, and subscribe this channel. So, keep studying and learning. Guidance, Mary.